Alright, hey everybody, this is part 2 of the 4 Dayton industrial ceiling fans. So this is the second one of the 4, and so we're almost halfway done. So this one is I'd say this one is the one that's in the best cosmetic condition, but its bearings are a little iffy. It's probably going to need some oil. The blades are a little bent. I'm not sure. Of course, I just grabbed random blades out of the pile, but these are different blades than the ones that I used on the other one from yesterday. So, there's not much else to say about this. So let's start it up on low on the solid state from the same speed control I tested the other one with. Now it doesn't have as much of a hum, I've noticed. Of course it's going much slower on the lowest speed because of those kind of stiff bearings. So let's put it up a little bit. Okay, I think it's starting to speed up finally. You can hear this one is definitely a lot more silent than the other one. Turn it up a little more. And a little more. So this is starting to get into more of a functional low range. I'd love it if people would stop walking around upstairs. So yeah, a little wobbly because of those bent blades. But there's nothing I can really do about that. These blades are impossible to bend back without, like, the proper tools. So that's like a medium low about. Bring it up a little. And like I mentioned with the other one from yesterday, on the faster speeds it seems to balance itself out, which is really nice. So this is a good medium, I'd say. We're actually almost nearing medium-high range. This one seems to be pretty sensitive to the speed control. Like you turn it just a little bit and it knocks it up a fair bit. Okay, so that's like medium-high. See how far we are from high. Put up a little more. So this is like almost high. Can't be too far now. Okay, just turn it up to high. And there we are. So that's high. Let it get up to speed. And yeah, it is balancing itself, because you can see one of the blades is way out of whack. It's like a lot higher up than the others, and it's not wobbling at all. Very cool. Alright, spin down. I'm expecting this one to have a shorter spin down than the other one because of those bearings. A little noisy. Like, it's not that it was stiff. There is one of them that is a little bit stiff than the rest of them. A little bit more stiff than the rest of them, but this one just has a little bit of noise, bearing noise. It doesn't seem like it's very stiff. Okay, that one actually has a pretty long spin down time. So yeah, the bearings are just noisy. They're not really that stiff. So now I'm going to do a 0 to high. Start it up directly from off to high. Alright, so as you can see, this it's not as scuffed as the other one. There's still a little bit of scuffing on the paint, some scratches, some marks. Yeah, it's an okay shape. The top, the lower canopy, and the upper canopy. This one's upper canopy is actually in perfect condition almost. And then the serial numbers right there, like on the other ones. And then this one's caution tags actually are still present, or at least for the most part, they're and legible. And then there's another one of those on the other side here. I don't know why there's two. But anyway, so that is about it for this video. That is the second Dayton 60-inch industrial model 4C721. Thank you for watching, and more to come.